This video is brought to you by Sailrite. Visit Sailrite.com for all your project supplies, tools, and instructions. In this video, we're going to show you how to install the roping zipper foot, whether it be a right or a left, for the Fabricator sewing machine. In this video, we're going to show you how to install the roping zipper feet left and right for the Fabricator sewing machine. This is a roping zipper foot right. It has the toe on the right side, and this is a roping zipper foot left. The toe is on the left side. First thing you want to do is use the knee lever to lift the presser foot. So I'm going to kick my knee over to lift the presser foot, and then behind the machine there's the lever lock mechanism. So with the presser foot lifted, I'll just move this in a horizontal position, and now I can let go of the knee lever and the presser foot is lifted up. Using a standard screwdriver, we're going to remove this screw completely. Now the standard presser foot can be wiggled and pushed down until it can easily be removed. We'll set that aside. The installation of the left and right roping zipper foot is exactly the same, so we're only going to show one. The roping zipper foot has a pronged top which fits between these two forks. Okay, once the presser foot is in position, we can feed the screw back in. I'm going to hand tighten it first. Before tightening the foot in place, move the foot down all the way in the slot, and then tighten the screw well, with the bottom of the foot level with the bed of the sewing machine. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to tighten it down hard, okay? Don't forget to lower your foot. Use the knee lever and press on it, and then release the lock lever and back, and you're ready to sew. So we have it set perfectly accurate right now, so we can continue to sew. And that's how you install the roping zipper foot right or left. If you have any questions, be sure to give us a call or email us. We are glad to help. I'm Eric Grant, and from all of us here at Sailrite, thanks for watching.